Have you ever typed a word, stared at it, and thought, that looks wrong, but you don't know why? Don't worry.
Spelling isn't talent, it's training. In this video, I'll show you a simple system to improve your English spelling without memorizing endless lists. And at the end, you'll get a clear 10-minute daily routine you can actually follow.
Here is tip number 1. Don't learn single words, learn word families.
A word family is a group of words that share the same root or base meaning. They often keep the same spelling skeleton, even when the pronunciation changes. These related words are the words relatives. For example, don't just learn help. Learn its relatives too. Helpful, helpless, helper, helping. Don't just learn care. Also learn careful, careless, carefully, caregiver, caregiving. You can also build relatives with prefixes. Possible becomes impossible. Agree becomes disagree. Legal becomes illegal. And you can build relatives with suffixes. Happy becomes happiness. Kind becomes kindness. Here's the fastest way to use this for spelling. Pick one word you often misspell. Then write 3 things. Number 1, the base word. 2, 3 relatives. And 3, one sentence using one of those relatives. For example, the word connect. Relatives. Connection, connected, disconnect. Sentence. I lost my internet connection. Remember, when you learn one word, don't learn it alone. Learn its relatives. Tip 2. Use the look, cover, write, check method. One. Look at the word carefully for 3 seconds. 2. Cover it with your hand or close your notes. 3. Write the word from memory. 4. Check it and fix any mistake. Do that 3 times for one word, and your brain starts storing the correct pattern. It's much better than copying a word 10 times while your mind is somewhere else. Tip 3. Learn a few spelling patterns that produce many correct words. Instead of trying to memorize thousands of spellings, learn patterns that repeat again and again. Here are 5 high-value patterns. I before E except after C. That is, I usually comes before E. For example, believe, achieve, field. However, when I and E follow the letter C, the order becomes EI instead. For example, ceiling, deceit, receipt. Number 2. TION is a noun. For example, information, election, contribution, while CIAN is a job. For example, musician, electrician, politician. Number 3. Double the consonant. When adding ing, double the last consonant if the second last letter is a short vowel. For example, hop, hopping, begin, beginning, quit, quitting. Number 4. The silent E rule. When adding ing to words ended in E, drop the E and add ing. For example, bike, biking, bake, baking, hope, hoping. Number 5. TCH is usually used after a short vowel, like watch, and CH after long vowels in words like teach. Next time, when you learn a new word, pause and ask yourself, which pattern is this using? Tip 4. Train your eyes with micro-reading. Reading improves spelling, but you don't need an hour a day. Try micro-reading. Read one short paragraph for 2 minutes. Then choose 3 words you want to steal for your spelling list. Tip 5. Turn autocorrect into a teacher. Autocorrect is only helpful if you learn from it. Next time you misspell a word, don't just accept the correction. Do this instead. Copy the correct word into a note called My Misspellings. Add one example sentence. Practice it once with look, cover, write, check. Here is your simple 10-minute daily routine to improve your spelling. 2 minutes. Micro reading. 5 minutes. Look, cover, write, check on 5 words. 3 minutes. Review yesterday's words. This is the end of the lesson. Like, share, comment, and hit the subscribe button for more. See you in the next lesson.